Hey, it's Imran from FutureTech AI and beyond. We hear so much about artificial intelligence and how it's changing the world. Smarter apps, new medical breakthroughs, even predicting disasters. But have you ever stopped to wonder what kind of machines actually make AI possible? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to explore one of the most powerful but often overlooked drivers of this AI revolution, supercomputers. These massive machines are the hidden engines that make AI smarter, faster, and capable of solving problems we once thought impossible. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a supercomputer? Well, imagine your laptop or phone. Now multiply its power not by 2 or 10, but by millions. A supercomputer isn't just a fast computer. It's thousands of powerful processors all working together to tackle massive problems. While your laptop might open one file or run a couple of apps, a supercomputer handles millions of tasks at the same time. This is why they're used for things like predicting the weather, simulating how diseases spread, or designing rockets and spacecraft. These aren't machines you'll find in someone's home office. They take up entire rooms or even entire buildings. And they use an incredible amount of energy. But when you see what they can do, it's clear why they're worth it. Now, why does artificial intelligence need these massive machines? Because training AI, whether it's a chatbot, a voice assistant, or a smart device, takes an unbelievable amount of computing power. Think about this. To teach an AI system how to recognize faces, understand language, or even write a story, we have to feed it millions of examples. Then, the AI processes those examples over and over, running billions of calculations every second, trying to learn patterns and make sense of the data. This is far beyond what a regular computer can handle. Supercomputers make it possible for AI to learn quickly and effectively by crunching massive amounts of data in a short amount of time. In fact, some of the largest AI models, like the ones behind advanced chatbots, have been trained on supercomputers using hundreds of processors working around the clock. The bigger and smarter we want AI to be, the more power it needs, and that power comes from supercomputers. Let me give you some real-world examples of how supercomputers are making a difference today. In the UK, there's a powerful machine called the Isambard-AI supercomputer. It was recently launched and it's already being used to solve some huge challenges. Scientists are using it to improve cancer detection, especially for people whose symptoms often go unnoticed by traditional medical tests. Farmers are using it to detect diseases in dairy cows before they spread, saving money and protecting livestock. And even event organizers are using AI trained on supercomputers to predict crowd behavior and prevent stampedes in large gatherings. Over in the United States, there's another supercomputer called Frontier. It's one of the fastest in the world and is used for everything from energy research to climate simulations. These supercomputers aren't just sitting in labs running experiments, they're being used to solve real-world problems, making our lives safer, healthier, and smarter. They are like the engines behind AI's progress, quietly doing the heavy lifting so AI can work the way it does. But what actually makes a supercomputer so powerful? It comes down to something called parallel processing. That means instead of solving one problem at a time, a supercomputer breaks a massive problem into millions of smaller pieces and solves them all at once. Imagine trying to solve a million-piece puzzle. A regular computer works on one piece at a time, but a supercomputer hands out pieces to thousands of processors, and they all work on it together. That's why supercomputers can finish huge jobs in hours that would take a regular computer years to complete. They also have specially designed chips, advanced cooling systems to handle the heat they generate, and networks that connect thousands of processors together. It's like having a team of experts all working on the same task at super speed. So why should we care about all this? Because without supercomputers, many of the AI breakthroughs we see today wouldn't even be possible. These machines help scientists solve real-world problems, help AI become smarter, and unlock discoveries we're just beginning to imagine. As AI continues to grow and touch more parts of our lives, supercomputers will play an even bigger role. We may not see them, and we may not hear much about them, but they're shaping the future in ways most of us never realize. They're the silent powerhouses behind the AI revolution, and they're here to stay. If you found this interesting, I'd love to hear from you. What surprised you the most about supercomputers? Would you trust AI that's been trained on one of these massive machines to make decisions for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring how AI and technology are changing our world, make sure you hit subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with a friend. I'm Imran, and this is FutureTech AI and Beyond. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next episode.